In this lesson, we'll be talking about how to find the range of a quadratic function using graph. A quadratic function is usually of the form ax squared plus c, where c is the y-intercept. And we can plot the graph. And for quadratic function, it's a parabola shape. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, of course, and this is the origin and infinity. How do we write the range of this function? We can say that the range, this is from 0 to infinity. So because 0 is included, I'm going to use the square bracket from 0 to infinity, and this gives us the range. And one thing you must know, a quadratic function either opens upward and or opens downward. If the function is positive, then it opens upward. Otherwise, it's going to open downward. Let's take another example. If we have ax squared plus 3, let's take another one. Let's say ax squared minus 3, and the third one, let's have 3 minus x squared. You can pause the video at any point and try your hands on any of them. Then when you are done, you can return to the video and see what we have got. Solution. Let's have the first one where we have ax squared plus 3. If we sketch the graph of these function, we have that our c, which is our y-intercept, is positive 3. So if we take positive 3 moves upward, 3 unit upward on the y-axis, we are going to have, let's take that our 3, it's somewhere here. Then we can uh, draw the parabola. So this is our infinity and this is 3. How do we now write the range? We can say, because 3 is included, that our range is from 3 to infinity. And the second one, the same thing, you take 3 unit downward on the y-axis and you sketch the parabola. You are going to have that the y, which is the range, is from minus 3 to infinity. Now let's try the last one, which is 3 minus x squared. If we rewrite this, we are going to have minus x squared plus 3, meaning that our y value is y-intercept is positive 3 and the function is negative, meaning it's going to open downward. So let's sketch the graph. So let's take, because the graph opens downward, but we have positive 3, which is 3 unit upward on the y-axis. Our y-intercept is 3 and the graph is negative, so we are going to have that the parabola is of this form. So this is our negative infinity and this is our positive infinity. And how do we now write the range of this? We can say that the range is from negative infinity. Remember, you write from the lowest to the highest, from negative infinity to 3. That is the range, right? Because 3 is included, we have to use the square bracket, and this gives us the range of these function. In our next lesson, we are going to be taking the range of an exponential function. Watch out for that video.